I remember everything. Is you crazy? Never forget what I've been through, cause you shady. You make it seem like what we had, I think it's nothing, but I think that you forgot and you just frontin'. Tell me how a little fling could fuck up 5 years. How you look into her eyes and not shed tears. She was a rebound and now you're trying to earn points. That's like a nigga smoking weed, say you don't like joints. You're just a lost little girl, and I will never find you cause you're in your own world. And if you know you was kidding, why is you kidding? Pretending to fight the feelings you feelin'. It's your own heart that you killing. But anyways, life must go on, and I refuse to fight over a chick that can't be strong. Playing the same old song. Girl, you just did wrong, but you get bored fast, so it won't be long. I'm glad you wish me the best. It feels good kinda waking up with she on my chest. I hope you find happiness, and that ain't no lie. Just like you told me when I cried, I'd be just fine. Remember that? And ain't no beef between me or you, but can you check your bitch for me, cause she kinda rude. I don't wanna eat her up and spit her out like ooh, cause you know that I'm a beast and you know what I do. I don't wanna have to send her back to when she was loose. Don't make me have to go that route. So I'ma be smooth and fall off that back. I'ma get back on track and get my mind right. This is Kid, ain't no diss. I'm trying to tell you like this. Yo, real talk, yo, this the Kid, I just spit my shit, you know what I'm saying? No diss, this how I get off, this how I get my feelings out. I'm a rapper sometimes, you know what I'm saying? But y'all know I hold it down in that dancing tip, so good for showing me love, good looking for that mad support. I appreciate it. If you on that drama, if you on that hate shit, I don't respond to bullshit. Like I told you, this ain't no diss. If you feel like it is, something wrong with yourself, alright?